and this is John Foster here, and yes, this is going to be my next radio that goes into my next project. I was going to use the Dumbo RC 6-channel radio gear with the X6FG receiver, but due to the mapping that you need for this next project, I needed to go for a stick radio. This one is the FlySky, and it uses the AF-HDS2 frequencies, and this is compatible with all the other receivers I've got, but it also is compatible with the next project as well. So a little bit about the FS-i6S. It can handle up to 10 channels. It usually is for sort of quadcopters and aircraft, and it's quite a good system. It uses the AF-HDS2, the version 2, and it comes with a receiver as well. The receiver in here is the FS-i8S, which I'm not going to be using because that's for aircraft. And yeah, it's a stick radio for the next project. Let's take a look inside the box. Okay, so unboxing this radio gear is quite simple. The box is quite nice. Out of the way there, Mr. Gears. Okay. It comes with, well, it's a quick start guide. It comes well packaged. High density foam. Comes with the radio gear. A FS-i8S receiver, self-centering kit, and a USB lead. So I will be installing the self-centering kit because I need the left-hand throttle to self-center. Hint, hint as to what it's going into. On first impressions, it looks like quite a nice radio gear. It's very sturdy, rubber sort of surrounds, silicon surrounds on there. Plenty of switches and things. Switch A, B, C, D. You've got thumb wheels on the edges and switches on the back. And it uses standard AA batteries, which is quite nice. Yeah, quite a nice feel. Quite nice and early, and it has a screen, and it's a touch screen, so you can change the attributes and program the controller. It comes with a USB cable so that you can update it. So this is the FS-8S receiver, which is a iBus S-Bus system. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be using this. I'm going to be binding this to my AF-HDS2 receivers, and this should work. But I am going to install the self-centering kit, like I say. So, first impressions, quite a quality piece of kit. Nice handle to carry. No antennae, but it's used for aircraft, so it's got everything you need. And I quite like it. Let's, oh, and yeah, don't forget the PS2 port as well to plug it into you and use it as a joystick for a computer, for those who want to use it for simulators. So actually, and also it has a connection system here, so you can put your adapter for your phone or your tablet or whatever you want to do on top. So you can use it and film what you're doing, which might come in handy for my next project. So here we go. Let's do the upgrade that I need, self-centering kit onto this left-hand side, and go from there. So first impressions of the FlySky FS-i6S. Quality radio, actually. Really, really nice. Really comfortable. Lanyard connection too. Love it. Should work well now. Should have the right tools to do the next project. And you're probably thinking, what is that project, John? I'll have to wait and see. Catch you on the next one. Take care, everyone.